Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today is a really gentle walking workout, so if you've not been well or you're new to exercise, this is a great one for you. Let's wait for the music to start. We're going to start marching right left. Are you ready? So in these workouts, you work at your own level. Pace yourself, make sure you can make it to the end of the 15 minutes. So that might mean making smaller steps, or it might mean making them bigger. You can leave the arm movements out. Now while we start, have a quick look around you, check there's nothing you're going to bash into or trip over. All you need is the space of a fitness mat. So if you haven't got room to come forward, you turn to the side. Very adaptable. We're going to change the movement. We're going to go 2 forward, 2 back. So those of you that are used to seeing me doing these workouts will notice I've come straight in from work and done a workout in my warm work clothes. I had a few recording problems this morning. You couldn't hear my voice on the recording. So I ran out of time, came back to do this. And I've also not been feeling well and the house is freezing. So warm myself up, let's march it on the spot. Three, 2, 1, and a tap. You can stay facing me. Going to come forward for 4. 4, 3, 2, and tap back. And we're going to start moving that around the room if you've got space. So you're going to take it to the corner if you can. You might just want to turn to the side fully, or you can just stay facing me if you prefer. It's always nice to have a different view of your room. Come back to facing me, same movement, and a clap if you want. I've found that if I actually clap, it sounds really bad on the recordings, so I'm just pretending. Other corner. And again. Back to facing me, I'll march on the spot. Just march through the gap. So for the next exercise, next workout, we're gonna start lifting the toes up. Stay facing me. So if you want to make this a little bit harder, you can add a little knee bend and swing the arms a little bit bigger. If that's quite hard for you already and affecting your balance, just lift the toes slightly off the floor. Whatever works for you. It's your body, your workout. So if you're already out of breath, make those arm movements smaller, make moves smaller. If you've got plenty of energy, if you're feeling nice and fit, you can even add a little hop if you want. Don't like adding the hops, me. I apologise if I've got a croaky voice. I went down with a really bad cold just before Christmas and I'm not feeling 100% yet, hence the really gentle workout today. I hope you all had a great Christmas, Happy New Year. This is going to seem really weird if you're watching this in the middle of the summer, but right now it's early January and it's a little bit cold here in the UK. Ready to march on the spot again. Left, right this time. So we're starting with the opposite leg. 4, 3, 2, and a tap. 4, 3, 2. So same as we did in the warm-up. Swinging the arms to the side, you can add a circle if you wish. Whatever feels right for you. If the arm movements don't work for you, do your own thing. Coming forward, 2, 3, and a tap. Back. Well done. Well done. Let's loose the arms. We're going to go to the corner. This time, off to your left. Back to me. Other corner. You might also notice I've lost some of the shadows. Not perfect, but I'm messing about with the lights. Come facing me. Just bringing those heels up again. Take it through the gap. You're going to move slightly across to your left. Whilst you're on this board, let's catch the beat. Right, left. Side step for 2. Step together, step together. So you're going to make this as big or small as is comfortable for you. If it hurts your ankles, then you're going to keep it small if you're happy. You can make it bigger. Take the arms out to the side. I seem to have uneven arms today. I can't seem to get them to the same height. Been doing a lot of knitting during the Christmas break. My right shoulder is really tight. Change the arms. We're going to swim, swim and pull, swim. And again, if that feels wrong for you, do something that you're comfortable with. Or leave the arms out altogether, let them swing naturally. Well done. Single steps. And again, if you're losing your breath, if you're finding it a bit much, make it smaller. If you've got plenty of energy, make it bigger. Last 4 more like this, that's 4, 3, and we go back to doubles. Swim and pull, swim and pull, well done. Hold it on the other end, singles here. Four, 3, 2, double step, and back. Hold it on the other end, singles, double, singles for 2, double back, 1, 2, singles, double, single. If you're struggling with that, just stick with either single or double steps. Do what feels right for you. More important, you keep moving. Well done, you're doing great. I'm feeling quite breathless. Surprising how weeks of illness can really reduce your level of fitness. And a really cold basement. Hold it here, single steps. Bring yourself back towards the centre of the room. We'll kick across. So if you can't kick, just touch the toe in front. Or kick across. Keeping those knees nice and soft. Shoulders are relaxed. Elbows soft as well. The toe tap's fine. Straight in front if you have to. You work with what works for your body. March it through. And tap. 4, 3, 2, tap. Keep tapping through. Bending the knees, swinging the arms. Side step, step together. Coming forward and back. Well done. It's a little bit slower here. So if you can, we're just doing a little kick back. If that doesn't work for you, just take it onto your toe instead, or maybe just bring the foot slightly behind. Aiming my hand towards the opposite foot behind. Or you can take it as a toe tap if you prefer. Let's take it in front with a little knee lift. So if you want to make it harder, you can add a bounce if you want. Take the arms all the way up and make it a bit easier. You can always just have a toe tap on the floor, taking the opposite hand, just twisting the upper body slightly. So if you can lift the foot off the floor, take it to a knee lift, but it's your choice. Kicking across or tapping in front. It's a little bit slower, a little bit harder to keep your balance, so make sure you're feeling control. If you don't, keep that toe on the ground instead. Take it behind. So you can either tap the toe or take the foot up towards the bum again with a kick back. Taking onto the toe. Little bend if you want to make it harder, and you can reach with the arm. So it's up to you what you do here. If you want to make it nice and gentle, just keep a little side to side tap. You really feel this in your hips. Well done. Just marching it through. Beginning to bring the heart rate down now. 2 forward, 2 back. Same as we did at the beginning. Make it smaller if you need to. Taking those legs wide at the front, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. And you can add the arm movements if you want, don't have to. Well done. Let's tap change. So we're starting with the left leg if you can. If that doesn't work for you, just stay. 2 forward, 2 back. Let's tap change. So put the foot in, change. Last 4, 3, 2, tap change. On the spot. Nearly missed it then, didn't I? Not only you that get it wrong sometimes, I do too. 2 forward, 2 back. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. Or a knee lift if you want. We don't want to take it too high though, we're beginning to bring the heart rate down. The spot, we're not marching backwards and forwards here, holding it wide. Feels a little bit awkward this one maybe on the hips. To each side, tap and step, tap and step, tap and step. So you're just tapping the toe and then stepping fully onto the foot here. And I call my choo-choo train arms, but do what feels right for you with the arms, or leave them out, whatever you prefer. Well done. My cardigan floating around here. I told you it was cold here. I'm only just beginning to warm up. Keeping it wide. Bringing the feet in. Okay, just taking the right foot back and lift the heel a few times just to make sure that foot is lined up and feel that stretch. Hold it there for a moment. Let's change legs. Take that foot back. Just lift up onto the toe and down a couple of times. Just make sure your feet are pointing forward. Front knee is above the ankle. Both feet pointing forward. Feeling that stretch in that calf. Just watch you haven't let your foot slip in. Well done. That's all for today. See you again next time. Bye for now.